you always fall sick first. Well, I do have to deal with this. And then she would just completely take over as my second mother and like really look after me. And by the end of it, she would fall sick. So my mom would make garam parathas and roll up jam and make those jam rolls and then fill it up in my dabba. And I would have like 10 rolls in my dabba. So I used to love that. So I would just put Zaid in that sitting down area where we would all sit and listen to my dad's stories. So yeah.
स्कूल कहे, कॉलेज कहे या फिर बचपन कहे, हम सबकी बहुत सारी ऐसी यादें हैं जो इसी वक्त से जुड़ी हुई हैं। well, आज हमारे सेगमेंट थ्रोबैक थर्सडेज में जुड़ने वाली है गौहर खान, जो कि रिलिव करेंगी अपने चाइल्डहुड की कुछ मेमोरीज, अपने सिबलिंग्स के साथ बिताए हुए कुछ पल, एंड अ लॉट मोर इनसाइट्स अबाउट हर चाइल्डहुड एंड a time spent with her father, dearest. Well, yes, let's welcome Gauhar with me, Vishakha Pandit, on this fun segment of Throwback Thursdays only on Teleshocker. The first one childhood memory जो गौहर की utmost favorite है, वो कौन सी है?
बचपन में हम बैठते थे and my father at night would like sit with his snacks and everything, and he would start, narrating stories. Sometimes ghost stories, sometimes his childhood stories, sometimes stories of his friends, about his experiences. I think that was my most favorite memory of just sitting there and watching him in awe, because he was such a magnanimous personality. He was so charming. He was so amazing. So I think that happens to be my favorite memory as a child.
Okay, one such memory that you have with Nigar that is like on the topmost list of your favorite memories.
Like, unfortunately, every time I fell sick, Nigar was the one who was there to take care of me. Somehow the timing of it was everybody wouldn't be there, but Nigar would be there. So I think my favorite memory of her is how she looked after me every time I was admitted in the hospital, and how she would actually first hit me and then be like, you always fall sick first. Well, I do have to deal with this. And then she would just completely take over as my second mother and like really look after me. And by the end of it, she would fall sick.
Memory wherein you siblings played a prank on maybe one another, or maybe you were played a prank on, something of that regard.
I think my older sisters, Zakia and Kausar, they knew that I would get the best of the soft toys that dad would bring from Japan. So at that time, the India markets were not so open to, good looking soft toys. They were all like those standard looking soft toys. I'm talking about like late 80s. And my father would get these most amazing soft toys for me from Japan, like huge rabbits and cats. And they were like this really cute ones. And my sisters were so clever, and they knew that, okay, now Gauhar has these. So they would trade in chocolates with me and take away my soft toys. And I was such a fool that I would take chocolates and give them my soft toys. And I would finish the chocolate and be like, now what? And then I would see that they are owning my soft toys.
Okay, one life-changing moment that has been like the utmost favorite for you.
Bigg Boss. I think Bigg Boss changed my life. Winning Bigg Boss completely changed my life. And it has just been the best.
One lie that you've said to save your siblings.
My brother, if he got bad marks in certain subjects, first he would call me downstairs, then tell me that, okay, this is what has happened. Then while doing something like pressing my mom's feet or something, then I would just tell her that, please, marna mat, itna kam marks aaye hota hai. So it wasn't really a lie, but I would like cover up for him.
One hairstyle that was like the go-to hairstyle while you were a child.
I used to hate it, but my mom used to give me like a full fringe, like proper fringe, and a cut that was a blunt over here. It used to suit me, but I used to hate it because it used to irritate my face and my forehead.
One such thing in your dabba that you always had when you were a child.
So my mom would make garam parathas and roll up jam and make those jam rolls and then fill it up in my dabba, and I would have like 10 rolls in my dabba. So I used to love that.
One place that you have utmost enjoyed going while you were a kid.
Panchgani, because my dadi's kabar is in Panchgani. So every year, like once a year, we would make a family trip there.
One such festival or an occasion that you siblings have utterly enjoyed and now you miss, celebrating it all together, like a full gang that you did while you were a child.
We used to go for Garba nights, all dressed up in saris and all of that. Eid is something that I really miss with my entire family. All of us used to like pull each other out of bathrooms to kaun pehle nahayega and all of that. It was so much fun.
If you could sit in a time machine and take Zaid back to one of your memories from the past, बचपन की, college, school, anything, वो कौन सी memory जो आप उनको दिखाना चाहेंगे?
I think, I don't know. I because Zaid got such little time with my dad. I think anything to do with my dad, like talking about his childhood, or I would just put Zaid in that sitting down area where we would all sit and listen to my dad's stories. So yeah.
What are your parting words for the fans who are gonna love your character Anu in Kali Pili Tales? What do you have to tell them?
Yes, Kali Pili Tales is releasing on the 20th of August on Amazon Mini TV, which is actually free for everybody to watch on the Amazon shopping app. So that is one good thing. I'm excited about people watching this new character of mine, which is Anu. Strong, samli, weak, but still trying to get over things in life. So please do watch it.
Fans are in store of a lot of things from you and Zaid, and alone from you also. I really hope that we connect soon over a new project. Thank you for joining with me.
Thanks so much. God bless you.
Bye. Thank you. Well, thank you so much for watching this fun segment of Throwback Thursdays, जहाँ गौहर was seen taking a walk down the memory lane. Well, मैं उम्मीद करती हूँ कि आप लोगों ने ये segment को उतना ही enjoy किया है जितना मैंने गौहर के साथ इस segment को खेलना enjoy किया. And if yes, do tell us in the comment sections below. And until then, this is me, Vishakha Pandit, signing off for now. You stay tuned to TeleChocker for all the more updates about the tele world.
Know all about the Tele world by subscribing to TeleChocker's YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated to our new videos.